Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that many find challenging, creating a budget that actually works. Forget everything you've heard about rigid budgeting methods that don't fit real life. We're here to break down the myths and show you how to craft a practical and effective budget that fits your lifestyle. Let's get started. First, let's address the common myths about budgeting that might be holding you back. Many people believe budgeting means living on a tight, restrictive plan or giving up all the things you love. But that's not true. The goal of a budget isn't to restrict your spending but to give you control over your money so you can spend more consciously and reach your financial goals. Let's debunk these myths and set the stage for a budgeting approach that works for you. The first step in creating a budget that works is to start with a realistic assessment of your finances. Track your income and expenses for a month to understand your spending habits. Use a budgeting app, a spreadsheet, or even a simple notebook to record where your money is going. This isn't about making judgments or cutting out all fun. It's about gaining a clear picture of your financial landscape so you can make informed decisions. Once you have a clear picture, set practical and flexible goals. Instead of setting unrealistic goals like save $1,000 this month, start with smaller, achievable goals. For example, aim to save $100 a month and gradually increase it as you see fit. Flexibility is key. Your budget should adapt to changes in your income and expenses. Life happens, and your budget should be a tool that helps you manage it, not a rigid set of rules. Now it's time to craft a budget that fits your lifestyle. Begin by categorizing your expenses into needs, wants, and savings. Prioritize needs like housing, utilities, and groceries, then allocate funds for wants like dining out or entertainment. Don't forget to include savings and debt repayment in your budget. The key is to allocate your money in a way that reflects your priorities and allows for flexibility. Remember, a budget isn't set in stone. Review and adjust it regularly based on changes in your income or expenses. This will help you stay on track and make sure your budget continues to work for you. To make sticking to your budget easier, use tools and techniques that fit your preferences. Budgeting apps can help you track spending and savings goals effortlessly. Some popular options include Mint, You Need a Budget, and Pocket Guard. If you prefer a more hands-on approach, consider using a spreadsheet or even a physical ledger. Find what works best for you and makes it easier to keep an eye on your financial health. Finally, be patient with yourself. Creating a budget that works takes time and experimentation. It's normal to make adjustments as you go along. If you find that certain areas of your budget aren't working, don't be afraid to tweak them. The goal is to develop a budgeting system that helps you manage your money effectively while allowing you to enjoy life. So there you have it. A practical approach to creating a budget that actually works. Forget the old myths and embrace a budgeting strategy that fits your lifestyle and helps you reach your financial goals. Remember, the key is to start with a realistic assessment, set flexible goals, craft a budget that fits your needs, and use the right tools to stay on track. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more financial tips and strategies. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.